Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair review from Amazon. So the hair that I'm going to be reviewing today, you remember guys, the hair that I was telling you guys maybe there's a glitch on going on Amazon, and I just wanted to see, so the hair was like $29, I believe. Right now it's $11. It says that it's human hair, but a couple people that bought it and got it before me, they told me that it's synthetic hair, which I said I wasn't too surprised about it because I knew that human hair is not gonna sell for $29, or right now it's $11. So let's just go ahead and get started with the video, but make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So let's get started. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. So this is the packaging. I bought it on Amazon. I'm gonna leave a screenshot so you guys can see it. I bought it on Amazon, so this is how the package came. It didn't even come in an Amazon package. So let's just go ahead and open it right now. Okay. Okay. It's very yeah, it's shiny. Okay, so this is the hair. It's synthetic, as I said before. Like, I didn't but this is synthetic. Let me see how it looks. The curls, that's how the curls look. And let me see the construction of the inside. So this is how the construction of the inside look. It doesn't even have any combs. There's no combs. There's this adjustable straps right here, but there's no combs. So I'm gonna go ahead, and then right here it does have like a middle part. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to just install it and see how it comes out. I don't think I'm gonna like it. Yeah. Mm. It's very shiny. It's very shiny. So, you know, yeah. And then the lace, it's not. It's the you can see like the net. It's like so the holes in the net is so wide, you know. But yeah, these people on Amazon sometimes you gotta go with a reputable hair company, like the ones that I review for you guys. I'm gonna do a video of the hair companies that have got absolutely good hair, no regrets, and like the best human wigs that I got on Amazon. I'm gonna do one of those reviews for you guys, but I'm gonna try to install this and show you. But oh, so the hair that I have on right now, this hair is from Amazon too. So you guys, the video is already up on the channel, so you guys can go ahead and watch that video. Yeah, it's the last video. I think I'm gonna be like putting one public today. I'm not sure, but it is up on the channel. I think I'm in like a pink thing. I'm in my nightgown, but it's a pink like a pink top. Yeah, and I have this here on. So let me just go ahead and look how you look so pretty. Like, it's so soft. It just look like I got a like I got my hair straightened or perm, you know. That's how it looks. And I didn't even tie it down last night, though. You see it look pretty same way. Yeah, I didn't tie it down. This is like, I didn't brush it, didn't tie it down, didn't do nothing to it. Yeah, so let me just go ahead and take this wig off. You know, you know. I'm gonna take this wig off. Ooh, okay, that was easy. So let's take this wig off, and then I'm gonna. This is nice. I just have to clean the front of this now because I have so much glue on it. But yeah, I really like this hair. Okay, so let's just begin. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off before I even put it on my head. Okay, so now let me see where the part is. The part is right here. So you know I love my side part. So I'm gonna be doing a side part. Put this. So I'm just putting the adjustable straps so it's tight on my head, you know. And then I'm gonna put it on. Ooh, the cap is so tiny. Oh Lord. This hair is horrible. This hair is horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. I'm going to go ahead and let me see. Maybe I could brush it out with some water. That is so full. It's getting so full with the water. Let me see. This side. This, like, if I'm gonna wear it, I wouldn't wear it out because it's like too much. I would mostly just put it up like this, like just make it to be a bun, you know, like maybe something like that, and wear it like that because and it would look like presentable if you wear it like this. But for me personally, For me personally, this get like maybe a 1. If I can give it 0, I would give it 0. But I'm gonna give it a 1. Stuff. It is wearable if you like synthetic hair, and it's not that shiny after all, you know. But I wouldn't. I wouldn't wear this. I wouldn't wear this. I wouldn't wear this. And then they have the audacity to come on Amazon and lie to everyone, talking about this is human hair, and you know, and they actually had videos of people posting that the hair was human hair. Like, how can you have people verified purchases that says that the hair is a human hair? Even one person, she's like, oh, I'm a hairstylist, this is like the best hair I've ever bought. Like, come on, don't be lying to people on don't be lying, because a lot of people shop on Amazon for hair, like me. I love me an Amazon wig, but this is not it. Yeah, like but guys, this is how the hair is looking. Yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. This hair is not saying it, you know. I'm gonna do a different hairstyle. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.